do is wait around for something new. Running from the truth, running from the truth, but I hope to hear it too. Take me away from all these vibes, bringing me down, I don't know why. Shaking them off, it isn't easy, but you bring out the best in me, so
tech and art, an emotion of words far apart. Think and feel, starlight sparking in your battery, pumping oil from the fields evergreen, pumping blood through the flesh and the steel.
She laughs at my dreams, but I dream about her laughter. It seems she's the one I'm after. Cause she's bittersweet, she knocks me off my feet, and I can't help myself, I don't want anyone else. She's a mystery, she's too much for me, but I keep coming back for more. She's just the girl I'm looking for. She can't keep a secret for more than an hour. She runs on 100 proof attitude, power. And the more she ignores me, the more I adore her. What can I do? I'd do anything for her.
We could be soldiers. With every bruise, I'm closer to you. Be my muse, and I'll be yours too. Hey, I'll take a playful fight too hard. We were just kids singing songs in the dark. I'll take a playful fight too hard. We were just kids singing songs in the dark. We could be, yeah, we could be, I'm lost without your hands. You tear right through the demons I don't understand. And I'm so scared you've had enough. 'Cause right now, all I need's your love.
And there's nothing I can say to bring you home to me. and there's nothing I can do to bring me back to you, and there's nothing I wish I had a time machine, would have done things so differently. And if I had a time machine, maybe you'll love me, maybe you'll love me. I wish I had a time machine, would have done things so differently. And if I had a time machine, maybe you'll love me, maybe you'll love me. I grew up learning about dangerous love.